Hey, it's Bruce Naylor, your Boomer Consumer. By the way, I just want to let you know I officially changed the name of my channel to the Boomer Consumer just the other day. I said I would do it and finally got the job done. So I have been using the Rode Wireless Go to create a wireless audio system with my Sony a6400. Now, it is an affordable solution, especially if you can't really use a shotgun mic, which I'm too far away, or if you're, don't want to do a boom, then a lav mic, which is what the Wireless Go is your next best solution to getting good sound, and that's what I've been trying to do. So I have owned a lav from a company called Aspen for several years now. And you can pick these up for around 30 bucks. And I learned about this from a YouTuber by the name of the Frugal Filmmaker. Generally an excellent lav mic. And I've used it a few times with the Wireless Go, and it worked just fine. However, the last video that I made, I got all the way through it, got ready to edit it, and there was a terrible whine in the background. And I fiddled and fussed with this thing. And with the Wireless Go, suddenly I'm getting RF interference, radio frequency interference with it. And I can't use it, so I did a lot of research, and I found that with the Wireless Go, and I'm wearing it right now, hopefully you won't hear it rub against my shirt, that it's kind of a hit and miss thing. Some cheap lavs may work fine, others may not. Even high-end like Sennheiser may have an issue with RF interference. Now, the built-in mic on the transmitter actually isn't all that bad. However, I don't really like wearing this on my clothes. It's kind of heavy, it's kind of bulky, easy to rub against your clothing. Just a lot of reasons I don't want to wear it. So I had to find a lav that would absolutely work with the Wireless Go. So, now I've actually re-recorded this video and I've already totally destroyed the box that this came in. No obvious way to really open it, but I'll just share with you that this is a omnidirectional microphone, professional quality, got clear broadcast audio. Let's show you what comes in the box. It sells for 79 bucks. I believe that's the price. And if you're interested in picking one of these up, then I have my Amazon link down below. Now, just so you know, you can't plug one of these directly into like your PC and use it and so forth. This has a TRS connector on the end of it, and you need to get the adapter to convert that to TRRS. But anyhow, in the box, I'm talking about the silica packet, you do get a Rode pouch for traveling and so forth, so that's kind of nice. You also get this little Velcro strap to keep all the wires together nice. And then you get the microphone itself, and it's got a nice gold plated TRS connector on it and a very nice windscreen on here, pop filter, and then you have the clip itself. Now, I've got to kind of figure this out. It is made a little bit differently, but not too bad. Now, what I'm going to do next, and by the way, I'm not going to do any processing on my voice whatsoever. This is supposed to be professional quality sound. So I'm not going to do any post-processing on my voice, on my audio. And then what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in to the receiver and see if it sounds better. And I hope that it does. I hope that it does sound better than the built-in lav mic or the built-in microphone on the transmitter. So, without further ado, take this off, plug that in, and put it on my shirt. There we go. Yeah, better do it this way. Here we go. All right, so now I've got it directly on my shirt. I'm going to hear it for the first time when I edit this in post, but hopefully it sounds better, and that's the name of the game. And then that way you can just put this piece, your transmitter, in your pocket and use this instead of having this attached to your shirt. You can. Absolutely, you can. They make some, Rode makes some different accessories for a little magnet thing you can put on it. They also make these now in white, but I tell you, for a wireless microphone system, these are $200. These are really hard to beat. The receiver is hooked up right to the A6400 and goes right into it. So no boom, no shotgun microphone, totally wireless. You have a nice range on these. I also have a link to the Rode Lavalier Go as well. But this is going to be the solution I use for audio in my channel going forward. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm pretty excited to get this new lav mic because this is going to be my regular audio source going forward. That's it. Bruce Naylor, your Boomer Consumer. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.